Hey everyone, today I'll be talking about a common problem which is in standard and Electra bikes. The problem is that in the tail light the water seeps into this and then there'll be rust forming, and also there are chances that your tail light bulb would be breaking like this. The only solution for this is to replace the tail light assembly, because once I tried adding an extra sealant to this, but then that didn't work. Even after adding the extra sealant, whenever I give my bike for a wash or when I ride in rain, the water still seeps in. The only solution is to replace the taillight assembly. That is very simple. I'll be showing you how to replace the taillight assembly for this. Here I have the taillight assembly. This costs 190 rupees, 198 rupees actually, but then I got it for 150 rupees in an automobile store. I'll just open it and show you the inside part. This is the new tail light assembly. I'll be showing you how to fit it in. To remove the existing tail light assembly, you will have to unbolt 4 of these bolts. You'll be finding it right behind the tail light assembly. We need a 10 number spanner for that, and you just have to unbolt 4 of them. I'll show you the 4 bolts now. This is the first one. Now using a 10 number spanner, I'm going to remove all the 4 bolts. Now that I have removed all the 4 bolts, I just need to remove this part, and then here we can see the 2 bolts, right? This one, we just need to remove this one, and this actually broke, so I just need to remove this one. I need an 8 number spanner to remove this bolt, which would actually remove the tail light. So I'm removing this bolt now. Okay. Once I have removed that bolt, this would be coming out. Once you remove the main part, you can see there's a cable going over here. You need to unplug this one. Okay, once you unplug, you can actually remove the tail light and then replace it with a new one. Now first I'll be fitting the tail light to the number plate. So here I got the tail light. You just need to put the cable through this big hole, and then okay, put the screws right in here. Once you put the screws, you just need to put 8 number bolts over here, which you'll be getting with the taillight assembly. Now I have fixed the taillight to the number plate. I just need to fix the number plate to the bike and then plug this cable, and then everything would be fixed. Now I have fixed the new cable as well into the socket, and then the number plate is ready to be fixed into the bike. I just have to put it in and fit all the 4 bolts. That is it guys, you just need to follow these simple steps to replace the taillight of standard, or these same steps would be applicable for Electra as well. Thank you for watching. Cheers.